I'm Sherri Harrah with HomeShowGardenPros, and I'm joined here today with Frank Smith from Coast of Maine.
Thanks for having me.
You bet. And we're going to talk about acid-loving plant soil today. Coast of Maine has one of the best ones I've ever come across. And what makes it special?
What makes it special is trying to recognize the plants that are the happiest in that acid-loving environment. When we put more peat moss, which is the best single ingredient, into that blend of products, it gets us a 5.4, 5.5 pH, which is really great for your azaleas, rhododendrons, blueberries, and others. So it's got the compost, which is a big part of your chitin and your calcium, but it's a high percentage of your peat moss, and it really does a phenomenal job.
And you can feel it. It feels great. And so in Houston, we love our azaleas. So you could use this at the time of planting, or you can actually just top dress with it to bring that pH down.
Exactly.
Wonderful. So for more great information like this, join us on Home Show Garden Pros from 7 to 9.